Hi everyone, this is Jem and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito na nga tweet ni Hope0417 dahil now ko lang nakita sa IG to, post ko na din dahil natuwa ako sa GMA, 100 points kayo sa langit. Ayan na nga, yung post nila sa Instagram na David Licauco on relationship with Barbie Fortesa. I care for her a lot. At ito nga yung napakagandang article na sinuot ni Nelson Calas na shinare sa Facebook. Sabi niya, in a world of celebrity interviews, you learn to read between the lines. The best answers aren't always spoken, they're felt. They live in the poses and stumbles and in the shifts of tone and tension of the body. I've learned to listen not just with my ears but with my eyes. That's why I'll remember this moment with David Licauco. David Licauco caring on a whole new level. We were in the middle of our one-on-one for GMA Integrated Use. David sat across from me the way you'd expect the Pambansang Ginoo to be, collected, polite, poised. But when the conversation shifted to Barda's other half, Barbie Fortesa, something in him changed. It was subtle at first. A pause before speaking, a slight tightening in his jaw. But then I noticed something more telling. He started tapping his foot. He nervously, like someone unsure of what to say, but tensely like someone trying to keep something grounded beneath the weight of emotion. I asked him about Barbie, about the real nature of their bond, on and off the screen. David didn't flinch, but his foot kept tapping. Even as he tried to speak with clarity and care, we have to think na, of course, Barbie just got off from a relationship and we should respect that, he said. Kailangan niya mag-heal. The question, right? He joked again. I mean, feel ko kahit naman sino na nasa situation ko kapag taken, hindi naman gagawa ng medyo extra care. But now, obviously, when we're together, I care for her. And ayun, syempre, mas maluwag nga, gaya ng sinabi mo. I asked him to qualify the caring he has for Barbie. I care for her a lot, he said before. I just really care for her a lot. As if he had to say it twice to make sure it landed. Here we had to pause the interview a bit because there was so much kilig in the room. These words themselves were simple, but when someone repeats a line like that, you don't question the truth of it, especially when you feel it. You hear it between the syllables, in the breath between phrases, and in the foot that won't keep still. It reminded me of something I don't get to talk about often enough. The tenderness men are sometimes afraid to show. David wasn't just answering my questions. He was holding a boundary, honoring Barbie's healing and still being brave enough to say, I care a lot. That's something deeper. That's caring on a whole new level. In a world obsessed with loud declarations and viral confessions, here's a man showing up with something far more rare, grace. Not the performance kind, but the kind that holds space for someone else's timeline. As David's foot finally stilled, I realized I was witnessing the making of a man. True to his moniker, he is one true Ginoo. Grabe mga description ni Nelson, no? Parang para ka nagbasa ng novel na book na pano. Grabe mga description. At yun talagang action na dinescribe talaga kung paano yung action nung guy na hero dun sa book. At yun na nga, pati ABS-CBN News ay nilagay na David Licauco on Barbie Fortesa, I care for her a lot. And then IG story nga ni Barbie Fortesa, have a safe flight back home. Am I that bad? Ben, Vanessa, and Lucian, love you. So not sure kung kaninang umaga lang to or kahapon pa, guys. At tweet nga ni Present Progressive, ang premiere night daw ng Samahan ng Makasalanan ay sa April 10 na move na from April 14 to April 10 na ngayon. At ito raw ay sa Gateway Cinema. At next naman ay tweet ni Jar, not another weird coincidence. Ay na Pink Daisy yung sa picture ni Barbie at Pink Daisy rin yung binibigay ni David doon sa daig kayo ng lolo ko kay Barbie doon. And another tweet from Jar, the unexpected. Uy, wow, yung Lego flowers pala na pinost ni David Licauco nung Valentine's Day ay kamukha pala nung Pink Daisy na hawak ni Barbie Fortesa. O, diba? Yung nasa side, yellow kasi nasa harap, guys. At TikTok post nga ni Wow, familiar yung bulaklak na hawak niya sa posted niya sa IG. At dahil nga sa confession interview ni David, ay tumaas nga ang views ng kanilang close-up video at umabot na ito ng 2.1 million views. Uy, wow. At next nga ay chismis tweet sa Twitter. May nabasa ko dito sa tweet na fina-follow na rin daw ni David ang mga kasamahan ni Barbie sa pagja-jogging. Totoo kaya yun? Pati trainer po pina-follow niya na, sabi naman ni Miss Sunset. Sabi ni Precious One, talaga, inuunti-unti na talaga nila tayo. Hi. Sabi ni Lala, oh really? Dati, ilan ba following niya? From 2017 to 2006 na lang. Daw, nagbawas siya nung late night ng April 2. At next ay post ni Barbie Fortesa sa kanyang Instagram, she's ready. Ayan na nga, the pretty Barbie Fortesa. At napaka-sexy yung kanyang blouse. At kita nyo may cleavage na ng konti, di ba? Ayan na nga. Ay, nagpagupit na si Barbie. Ayan na. O, di ba? Napaka-pretty. Pero actually, mas gusto ko yung mahaba yung buhok niya. Mas maganda siya doon. Pero maganda din naman siya kahit maiksi yung buhok, no? I so love it. At yung kanyang blouse, medyo sexy. O, diba? Grabe. At, ayan na. Ang pretty niya dito sa part na to. At, pinost nga to ni Genre sa kanyang Instagram story. At tweet nga ni May na President ng Barbinatics, definitely a new era slay, Barbie Fortesa. At nag-change nga ng profile pic si Barbie sa FB. Sabi niya, she's ready. At Instagram post ni Genre in her new era, Barbie Fortesa. At ito'y nasa TikTok din ni Barbie. She's ready. Let's watch this video. Ayun na nga, in her sexy lace blouse. Ayun na nga, napaka-pretty at napaka-kinis. O, diba? At yan na ang pagupit. At in fairness, ang tagal niya rin na hindi na ganito ng hair. Parang, what? Less than 10 years yata or something. O, diba? Ayan na. The pretty Miss Barbie Fortesa. In her box bob hair era. Ayan. Oh, wow. At may pahangin talaga. Mahangin talaga dun sa salon. Grabe. Unveil yung salon. O, diba? Pretty Miss Barbie Fortesa. O, diba? At next, pinost nga ni Barbie sa kanyang Instagram Reels, Barbie is not just a long-time celebrity client. Let's watch this video.
Barbie is not just a long-time celebrity client, but also a friend. In fact, she was my first GMA celebrity, and I had the honor of doing her hair for her debut. Fast forward, today, finally did her first ever shortest haircut here at Mark Salon. We approached it with extra care, set her expectations, and then went for it. The box bob chop. Thin lead cut that gives illusion of volume, fresh, healthy, and effortlessly perfect for summer.
I'm so sick of them coming at me again. Cause if I was a man.
Sa bagay, parang mas maiksi pa nga yun doon sa hair niya dito sa Ana Karenina. Kasi parang box bob hair din yun sa hair niya dati doon sa Ana Karenina nga. At pinost nga ito ng Cosmopolitan Philippines. Barbie Fortesa just debuted a new haircut pegged for the girlies who want short hair. Here's an enthusiastic endorsement from Barbie Fortesa to get a box bob haircut this summer. At in preparation nga ito dun sa kanyang series na Beauty Empire, kasi mukha siyang Chara Santos ang hair niya nung hindi pa siya pwedeng magpagupit dahil hindi pa tapos ang Kontrabida Academy. But dahil tapos na yan, nagpagupit na si Barbie Fortesa. At mukhang gusto nilang gawing effect, guys, ay yung katulad sa All About Eve, yung parehong maiksi yung buhok ng bida at saka kontrabida. At ayun na nga, blush ang emoji ni Barbie Fortesa sa kanyang FB post. At next ay post ng GMA News, David Licauco takes on your questions. Kung hindi siya isang artista, ano kaya magiging career ni David Licauco? Find out his answers and more info in this video.
Hey guys, it's David Licauco and I will be answering your questions from Reddit. Overall, peaceful meditation on Spotify. Of course, save up. Whenever you want something, think about it twice, thrice. Do you need it? Is this something that for you is beneficial, or in a sense na, is it an investment? So for example, a black t-shirt. I think you can use that multiple times, right? So I think it's okay to buy a bit of a more expensive na black t-shirt just because you know na you're gonna be using it for a long time and the quality is nice, diba? And for business naman, I think it doesn't have to be business, you know? I think you just have to know what you want and from there, figure out how you will get there. I want to live in Australia. yeah, whatever work I can get from there, maybe. I just love being there, really. People are nice. I see myself talaga na parang bagay ako doon. Ganun. So hopefully, like, be a marketing guy because I love marketing. Probably I can also do operations and project management, admin stuff. Thank you for all your questions. I appreciate them. And if you want more, please follow GMA Integrated News for more updates.
Ay na, the cute David. Para maganda kung ganyan yung itsura niya sa Beauty Empire, no? Diba? Para new look, no? Naka-spectacles naman siya. At next naman ay post ni Base sa TikTok. Ito raw ay April 3 kahapon. At ang caption niya ay very fast at 2 heart. At yun ang kung mapapansin nyo, meron siyang kaharap na guy at parang meron champagne. So, gaya-gaya ng post niya nga, ayan o, may champagne. At dahil si Kenzie yung nagpicture nito, malamang si Kenzie din yung kasama niyang guy doon sa harap. And next is David Licauco's video greeting, kaya lang walang sounds at wow, oh, kita yung abs at yung chest na sumisilip-silip doon sa kanyang kanyang suot. At ito naman si Kim Won-shik at David Licauco na nag-usap sa bench body of work na post ni It's Me Milendel. At next at naging fangirl nga mga GMA employees kay David. At next nga ay meron palang tweet na BBC David nung February 20, 2023 pa. Sabi niya, "Hey BBC Lomi," at tignan nyo ang laki ng biceps at mga braso. At o diba si Barbie ang sabi niya BB, o di nun pa BB niya ba na si Barbie, ganun ba? Anyway, at next, pinalikan nga ni President Progressive yung tweet niya noong December 16, 2024. Present narrative, low-key lang si David and Kisen. Answer, David is single. Number 2, hindi maghiwalay ang Jack B. Answer, abangan. O di ba naghiwalay yung Jack B? At next narrative, hindi papatulan ni David si Barbie, ang Alta ay para sa Alta. Answer, burn. Hot. Aminin, dyan kayo pupunta, di ba? And anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!